ध्यान योगी
ठहराव एक धोखा, not a marketplace transactional. It's something you become when you stop counting profit and loss. Discover the real meaning of relationships and Sadhguru and find out why human intelligence can become dangerous without love. 3 question. Do you agree with Yogi that true love is about becoming loving rather than expecting someone in return? Share your thought below. Second, how do you keep calculation and transaction away from your personal relationship? Let us know in the comment. Question 3, what was the most eye-opening part of this video for you? Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing wisdom. Thank you. Please watch full break. So, everybody is very knowledgeable. Everybody is very about love, but nothing being inside. About love, but nothing being. It's about you being in love, not loving somebody. If you love somebody, you expect them to love you. Hello. Once you are expectation, you want someone fairness to who gets what. Do you love me as much as I do? I didn't say I love you. I did not say I love you. Poor girl. Let me tell you a story for that girl. This happened between husband and wife. She must listen carefully. Sunday morning, husband, very loving, took out his golf kit, polishing his club nicely, took the ball. Look, brand new ball, but any fools carefully wiped it with a weight. The preparing like this. The wife just observed him and said, "The tenderness with which you are handling this golf kit, obviously, you love golf more than me. You love golf more than me." He thought of saying the usual thing, "Nobody I love in the world," but he didn't want a golf kit. Hear such a thing, and if it misbehave on the course, what to do? That's he said, "Mary, I have to admit I love golf more than you, but I must tell you at the same time, more than tennis, football, hockey, basketball, you name it, I love you more than all those things." Okay? So once you should be a profound experience of once you make the transactional, you lost something very very valuable right now. Everywhere it's going on are also 7-minute meditation on your mind. Well, maybe to get people going, you have to offer them a carrot. Must have and carrot in front of them, because hello, we have so sick. All of you must meditate, not stick. So carrot, well, it's fine. At one level it works, because this is just a medicate mental health or mental ill. Extend it work. We are showing this stick saying you may get mentally. This will happen, that will happen, but meditation is not a transaction. It's not something that you do, because similarly love is not transaction. It's not something that you do, something that you become. In you become loving, what do you, nothing, because what will I get in? Only important for someone unfulfilled. The fulfillment of love is within you. What do you have a get? You don't have to get anything. Only those who do not know the fulfillment of what is mean to be a love, they are always thinking, what will I get? You will get one day of will die unlost. Video sponsor Dwarikadhish Electric and Power Tools, your own shop, all type of electric equipment. When I say unloaded, not by someone else, without having within your, because if you don't invest in turning inward and creative the necessary condition that you can touch the core of it, you don't do that, then everything is a transaction. Nothing wrong with the transaction in the marketplace, but there are no transaction here. What is there? Give within nothing, you will go with nothing. What is nothing which in your, there is nothing that you can actually, philosophical element that you think actually something or someone you. Tell me what belong to you. You must go to a funnel, something future funnel. You must go before yours it come. What are you laughing? We told you everything is a customer. Are you understand? Hello, anybody who not a customer, please comment. Anybody who not a customer, hello, subscribers, please comment. So if you go to a funnel and see a dead man, see, we can only kill a man, we can't say a dead woman. All right, we can't say a dead man safely of being a woman, you know. So if it was the dead man, that guy, not willing to any transaction, not willing to smile, not willing, you go and tell him I love you, I love you, I love you. If he finished, you will run a mile. Hello subscribers, you will run a mile, yes or no? Please comment. Thanks for watching. 4 part second, please comment part 2. The very natural of life is like this. What you, it not a give and take business. Either you are overthinking, you are not it, you are trying to save yourself. These things will stay away from you to be. एकादश इलेक्ट्रिकल सभी प्रकार के पंखे, कूलर, वॉशिंग मशीन, मोटर एवं हीरो मथानी होलसेल रेट पर सभी प्रकार की 12 इंची 20 इंची मोटर, प्रेस, क्लिप 20 mm क्लिप, गिट्टी, वॉशिंग मशीन, ओरिजिनल कॉपर मोटर, मिक्सर बॉडी एवं ओरिएंट के सभी मॉडल्स पंखे होलसेल रेट पर एक ही छत के नीचे। एसी की पाइप हो, ओरिजिनल फ्लोरोन पाइप हो, मैक्स फ्लोर, हाफ और क्वार्टर पाइप 5/8 की नटें हो, या पंखे, स्टार्टर, टेबल फैन की पेटी, सभी एक छत के नीचे। द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक एंड पावर टूल्स, स्टार्टर, सुजाता, मिक्सर, पाइप बंडल, डोरे वाली पाइप और सभी प्रकार के कूलर, फाइबर हो या लकड़ी के, ओरिएंट मोटर में 1 साल गारंटी के साथ ओरिजिनल कूलर की सभी साइज उपलब्ध। दोस्तों आज 1 जून और 2 जून को ऑफर है। हर इलेक्ट्रिक आइटम, हर बिजली उपकरण पर 10% की विशेष छूट है। तो आइए द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक, चंगेड़ी रोड, और फ़ायदा उठाइए ऑफर का। धन्यवाद।
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो पहले, हाँ जल्दी करो, मुझे पता है कि आप लोग नहीं करते।
सपने क्यों आते हैं रात को 3 बजे, नींद खुल जाती है, मन शांत हो जाए, सुबह 5 बजे आँख खुल जाती है, एक गहरी नींद सो लूं, बस यही आरज़ू।